Yeah, this virtual insanity got me in a trance. Look, another hour gone, stuck on Instagram, creeping on your profile. As a lonely man, I'm all alone, bored at home, I miss holding hands. I can't stand that I have to see you through a photo. Your haircut look nice, pressed like that's a no-no. So emo with the flow, man, I'm on my solo. I wanna look at your story, but you can see who views. Supposed to be all story with an ocean view. Feeling like a square, cause I like to sit and stare at you. Just you. I'm addicted to your love, like a drug. I try to stop myself, but I keep coming back to Instagram for you.